Hello everybody, my name is Gina and today we will be unboxing my favorite box, which is the CURLBOX, and it's right here. For those of you who are not familiar with CURLBOX, I will leave information down below as well as a coupon code so you can get some money off on your first box. Okay, I promise you, it's a natural person's dream box. How about that? Okay, so let's jump right in. And the first thing that we pull out is our description card, which looks like this. And it says our theme for the month of April is decadent. Okay, and this is the decadent box. How about that? That's a gorgeous pick. Gorgeous. Okay, so and then the next item we have, of course, is our CURLBOX. Hey, Curlfriend card. Give you the information so you can show what you create with the items that come in your CURLBOX online, okay? Okay, so when we open our inside box, it looks like this. One of the main things I love about CURLBOX is they always send us full-size products, okay? Here for it, okay? So it says, April's subscription box features CANTU, and it says CANTU's guava and ginger collection taps into the power of some of nature's most powerful ingredients. It's infused with guava, ginger, apple cider vinegar, tea tree oil, and menthol to help soothe dry, itchy scalp and promote length retention. Here's what you can expect from this month's lineup, okay? So the first item that we pull out is the CANTU Guava and Ginger Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, and it's a 13.5 fluid ounce size, and this is what that packaging looks like, okay? And it says, cleanse and nourish your tresses and give your itchy scalp some TLC with this soothing shampoo. This sulfate-free formula contains a trifecta of tea tree oil, apple cider vinegar, and salicylic acid to help prevent the recurrence of dandruff and other scalp issues. This is a cruelty-free item and it has a 12-month shelf life. No SLS, no SLES, sulfates, parabens, silicones, petrolatum, mineral oil, paraffins, alcohol, phthalates, color additives, or propylene glycol. None of those are in here, okay? So this is the first item. You know, I know it says 12 months, but I really want to smell it. Oh my God. That smells amazing, okay? Oh, can't wait to try that. So that's the first item. And then the second item that we pull out is this probably should have been first, but this is the Prepoo Treatment, and this is scalp exfoliating, and this one is a 6 fluid ounce size. This too has a 12-month shelf life, and everything in this line is cruelty-free, okay? And it says prep your dry, itchy scalp for wash day with this blend of guava, ginger root, apple cider vinegar, and turmeric. This treatment gently cleanses and exfoliates the scalp, removes excess oil, dead skin, and impurities from hair follicles, and fosters an ideal environment for growth. Okay, this item is pretty thick. Okay, this is for best results. Follow CANTU Ginger and Guava Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Okay, so this says the shampoo should go first for enhanced scalp invigoration and clean hair strands. So one of their tips does say use the shampoo first and then follow it with the Prepoo treatment, okay? All right, so that is item number 2. Then the next item that we have is the hair lotion, a 12 fluid ounce size. And it says hydration is the name of the game. With this blend of guava extract, baboa oil, and shea butter. Seal in moisture, prevent breakage, and strengthen your strands with this mineral oil-free mix of super ingredients. All right, the styling tip on this one says for added moisture, cocktail with the oil treatment serum. Haven't heard about that yet, but that's the next item up, okay? So this is going to be a fantastic cocktail for added moisture. So let's see what this one is all about. This is the treatment serum, and this one is a 4 fluid ounce size. And it says it nourishes and soothes dry, itchy scalp. So it says nourish your hair and scalp with this leave-in serum formulated with a guava, ginger, carrot oil, and tea tree oil. This is a good solution for soothing an itchy scalp in between shampoos as a leave-in conditioner or hot oil treatment, okay? This one says it is also free from paraffins, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. Okay, this is a scalp nourishing treatment. And if you remember, it says for added, mix the two together, okay? Added moisture. I'm here for that. All right, we're not finished yet, y'all. We still have some more in the box. All right, and the next one is the protein mask. All right. And this one is a 12 ounce jar, and it says use this protein mask to fortify your mane from scalp to ends. It's enriched with natural ingredients such as guava, ginger, and rice protein to promote healthy hair growth by strengthening brittle strands and preventing breakage, okay? All right, a styling tip for this one. Well, actually, the styling tip for this one says, for best results, use with CANTU ginger and guava Prepoo exfoliating scalp treatment and dandruff shampoo. So they want you to shampoo, use the Prepoo, and then the mask. That's interesting. I always thought that a mask would go first. Let me see what the directions say. Apply to damp hair after cleansing, distribute evenly from root to ends, and allow to sit for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Okay, that's very good to know. All right, see, you learn something new with every product. This one has guava, ginger, rice water, and rice protein. All right, and this one is item number 5. Did you see what I was saying? All of them are full-size products. Well, we got some bonus items this month. They want to make sure we take care of our hair well, so they also included 20 CANTU treatment and shower jumbo disposable conditioning caps. Okay. Then we also received a extra large fabric wrap. All right, and this one says it's so many ways that you can wear it. It says to use tie and fold in different styles, wrap and tuck the ends. It's a hair wrap that adds extra style to your look and can be worn in a variety of ways. Oh, I like this. All right, let's take it out and see just how large it is. Okay, so let me just tell you, I stood up and held this up next to me. This one is at least 5.5 feet tall because this one is my height, okay? Wow. Now you see why I love the CURLBOX. I'm telling you, everything we need to ensure that our hair is well taken care of, well nourished. And this is the new CANTU guava and ginger line. So just so you remember, this is what this month's card looks like, our description card. Okay, now this is what we were reading from. This has all the information about each and every product. This model is bomb. She looks amazing. This model looks amazing. Okay, so what do you think? Do you agree with me? I think you do. I think you do. So I do have a code down below, like I was telling you. So it can definitely get you some money off, okay? And it's money that is not coins, but it definitely bends and folds, okay? So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we opened up our April CURLBOX, okay? And these are the items that were enclosed, and down below is the total manufacturer's suggested retail price for everything that was included, okay? So remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.